Hey you guys, Sophia the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today it's a bit of like a hodgepodge video, if you will. This is my sewing plans. These are my sewing plans for November. I've finally gotten focused, finally gotten back into sewing, and I'm very excited about these plans. Hopefully I can get to everything. I try not to be overly ambitious just to make sure that I can get things done. And with the holidays coming, I want to make sure that I am not doing too much. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these videos. All right, y'all, well, without further ado, let's get into my November sewing plans. Okay, you guys, so I don't have the fabric for every single thing, but I tried to pull the fabric for most of the stuff I'm going to be working on. If you've been following me for a while, you're going to see some things that I should have already sewn, but I haven't. So the first one is Butterick 6861, which is this jumpsuit. I showed y'all this so long ago. It's been a year, maybe two, but I'm doing it. This year I'm doing it. I'm sewing up view A. I already have it cut out. I don't know if you guys remember, I had bought this whoop-de-doo animal print fleece. I don't even remember where I got this, but it was a while ago. But you know, the pieces are cut out. This is the hood. So this is happening. It's comfy, cozy season. So I cannot wait to sew up Butterick 6861. So be looking for that. It's coming soon. I'm excited. I don't know if it's going to be more casual or more dressy, but I'm just excited to see it come together finally. So, okay. Also, my anniversary is coming up in a few days, couple weeks to be exact. I'm thinking of making my anniversary dress. I did that last year. Check out that video if you have not already. But I'm thinking of making this like an annual thing where I make my anniversary dress. So for this project, I have chosen Vogue 8825, which is a very easy Vogue pattern. Another pattern I've been meaning to get to for a really long time, and it's this one. I absolutely love this, you guys. And I'm going to be sewing up view B here. I think it's so cute. It's so like va-va-voom, wrap dress with a tie. You know, I think hubby's gonna like it. So hopefully, and I chose for this project this beautiful, beautiful royal blue ponte knit. Well, y'all look at that. Do y'all see the color on that? Love it. I am so excited about this. I am in love with this combination and I think it's gonna be major. Not sure if blue is in for the season, but I really don't care because I love it. And I think it's gonna look good on my skin. So this is what I am working on. This might be my next project actually, just to make sure I get this done by the 17th. Hopefully I can make it work. So y'all be looking out for that. And then, let me pull, I got this, y'all, I got this fabric at Hobby Lobby. So cute. It's a rib knit in this with the hearts here. I must admit to you, I washed it with something that was maroon, and so now it has a little bit of a pink hue. I don't know if y'all can see that. It used to be white, but I was like, you know, it's okay. I can make it see. I can make the accident seem like it was on purpose, and it's still pretty. So I am going to be using this rib knit, and I'm going to make up either, I shared these with you guys before, one of these bodysuits. either this one or this one in this really cute rib knit. I think I got just enough to make either one of these. So you'll see one of these from me soon as well. I'm not sure which one, which view, but it's gonna be this. So that is coming soon as well, either New Look 6752 or Simplicity 8513. So excited about that, to get more bodysuits in my wardrobe to wear with these pants, these trousers that I've been making. I've been enjoying my pants, y'all. I told y'all I was gonna be making these pants. I'm still not done yet, but I've been loving the pants. So next thing I'm gonna be working on in November is New Look 6804, which I shared with you guys before, but this is happening this month, and I am going to be using this teal colored jersey knit that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's going to be perfect for this. Look at that. Not sure which view I'm going to sew up. Maybe view B. I don't know if I want the high-low skirt or just the regular skirt. So I'm still deciding, but excited about this little combo right here. That's going to be really cute. I think it's going to be nice and easy to put that together and wear as an outfit or separates. I've been doing a lot of separates lately. So I think that might be it, you guys. I will share with you another project that I'm working on. This was, I don't know if you guys know, I make my husband a bomber jacket every year. He loves bomber jackets. And this was literally the first one I ever made him. I didn't know what I was doing, but it's actually all right. I made it with this little rib knit. This is a ripstop. This is a ripstop that I used in green. My husband was in the military, Marine Corps, so green is a thing. So I used this ripstop, and so it's got some holes where I did the stitching of the band to the ripstop. It's kind of coming apart, so I'm gonna repair this for my husband this month, and so I need to go back in and do some more stitches in here, and I also need to redo the side lining, slip stitching it to the zipper tape. So that's what I'm gonna be doing as well. A little mending for hubby, and I'm actually supposed to be making him the bomber jacket for this year. I haven't done that yet. I haven't gotten fabric yet because fabric store is about an hour away, and I have not gone there yet. So that's coming too. I don't just sew for myself all the time, most of the time, but not all the time. So I am working on that as well for hubby. And before I forget, I forgot I told you guys I was going to give you an update on the stuff that I got from WAWAK, my little tools and gadgets. So let me do that now. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So my WAWAK rotary cutter, I love it. I adore it. If you already got one, you probably love yours too. If you haven't got one, it's safe to get one. I love it. This is a 45mm deluxe cutter from WAWAK here. And the thing that I loved about it is that it has a guard. You press that button and you cannot expose the blade, but if you press the button again, then you can press down the handle and expose the blade. So even when it's unlocked, you would have to press this to get your blade. And I love it. It's so safe, and it cuts really well. So I love the quality of my WAWAK rotary cutter. This is a good one. This is a good one for Christmas, for shopping for those who sew or for yourself. And then the other thing that I had shared with you guys was my Fiskars scissors sharpener, which is this little tool here, and I love it. I love it. I sharpened my scissors. I probably need to do it again, but I sharpened my scissors and I could immediately tell the difference in cutting my fabric. They were so much sharper and they were like new. So definitely get yourself a Fiskars scissor sharpener if you're on the fence about that. I think that was everything with WAWAK that I was supposed to show you guys. I had gotten those hook and eyes. I haven't done a hook and eye since I got them, so that's gonna come later. But yeah, overall everything I got from WAWAK turned out really nice. All my buttons and things. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, well, thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoy making this video for you. Give me a thumbs up down below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well so we can continue to hang out together. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend. Be blessed, and until next time, happy sewing.